Hi there! My name is Angelina and I am AnyBiz ambassador. Let's have a quick review of lead generation service our company provides. Why quick? Because this is super easy. Fasten your seatbelt and let's start this journey. You're a busy entrepreneur, startup owner, marketer, freelancer, no matter. Finding new customers is a really big deal. Where to look for them, what to do to attract them, and many other questions. Probably you know, but it requires many resources and this is a matter of time. And time is money, as you know. As a big fish, you should concentrate on such more serious things in your business. And one more thing, to find your perfect channel, to get leads, you can spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Stop doing it. Go to website. Build your campaign in less than a minute. Connect your own mailboxes. AnyBiz will send thousands of emails. I bet you didn't know we have artificial intelligence implemented into the system. What does it mean? Past messages, time of sending, and deliverability. The algorithm will optimize it to get the best results for you. Get replies directly to your mailboxes. And remember, we will charge only for the positive ones. Isn't it great? If you liked the video, support us with like, and if you want to get more insights and ideas about lead generation, cold emails, B2B sales, etc., press the bell and subscribe to AnyBiz channel. See ya in the next video. Bye!